Hey guys, hope you all well. In today's video, as you've seen from my title, we're gonna be trying on some new Primark autumn-winter collection items. Can't make a sentence for some reason. Anyways, if you're looking at this makeup look and you're liking it, I just actually filmed a tutorial for this. Should be up on my channel already. I was going for the mask-friendly makeup, smudge-proof makeup overall that lasts under a mask. See, no mark on here. And the eye makeup look that make others turn around and look at you back again, because when you're wearing mask all you can see is this part, isn't it? So I think we should up the game a bit with the eye makeup. Videos in there, let me know if you like this makeup look. Alright, so back to this video. Primark try on haul. I got a big bag. This cost me £100 if you're wondering. So let's see what £100 can get you in Primark. Let's start from my jacket. I got a few jackets, super simple jackets, because you know what? During this lockdown, and if another one will come, who knows, I kinda was going out to an HMO for more hiking or having a beach walks and all the stuff like this. But we're in the autumn season already and it's getting colder, and it's definitely gonna get colder, and I didn't have any wind waterproof jacket that would be suitable for that kind of occasions. I mean, hikes and all. So I got two. Let me tell you why. So first of all, I got this Hacky color. It's like a puff jacket, so they call this the super light packable jacket because it is super light. It's like few grams. It can be, I don't know, 10 grams, maybe. Very, very light. I like that it's a bit like a puffer jacket, but then it's not puff because it has this for a waist, kind of accentuates your waist on the side, so it's not really a puffer jacket. It doesn't go that way, it goes that way. That makes sense? You guys see? So it has a zip all the way through, it has pockets inside and then on the side, and then a proper high neck, so you don't really need a scarf or anything. So it zips properly up, so it's nice and warm. I actually wore this already, as you can see. I went to the beach yesterday morning wearing this because I was like, I can actually test this out. So I took in a size S, and this costs £15. Now, usually I am size XS from Primark, or size 6, size 8, sometimes size 4. But because it's a jacket, I really wanted to buy at least size bigger because I want to wear, hoodie underneath if it's colder, or sweater or something, because I was looking more for, hikes and also probably the oversized hoodie. So I wanted something like this, but then I wasn't sure size. Usually I'm size XS, so I went for size S, and I got in a size M, just in a different color, because I didn't know how it will look with hoodie on, because I wanted to be comfortable. And yeah, I think you guys know what I mean. And now, because of all this pandemic and everything, you can't try anything in the shops, even a jacket. I was standing this close to a mirror, and the shop assistant was like, no, you can't do it. So I was like, okay, I'm buying the jacket anyway, so I'm gonna try this at home. Relax, lady. So yeah, so I took this in a size S, and I really, really like the way it looks on. It's super comfortable, it's super, super light. I think size S is just perfect. Super warm, and it's packable. It comes with this little pouch bag that you can pack it all up, because it's so, teeny weeny. So we got this Hacky jacket, and I took one in a black, but in a size M. But I think this is more like a dark navy color, in these lights, at least what I have at home. So this is £15 as well. It has euro sign for some reason, but it costs £15. Exactly the same style, everything, just in the size M. But this one is too oversized for me. If I would go for oversized jacket, I'd rather go for the bomber jacket then, because this just looked a bit misshaped, on the sides, on the waist, kinda. So I'm gonna be returning this back because I don't need two the same jackets. The reason I took two jackets is because I couldn't decide on a size, and I couldn't try one in the store. So I went for two different sizes and two different colors just to see which one I like better. Although this jacket in the size M, it doesn't look bad, it's just super oversized. I think I'm gonna stick with the size S, so yeah. This one I think is gonna be going back. I'm a bit into the Hacky color at the moment, and I think Hacky is such an autumnish color, the same as burgundy. I don't know if you notice, guys, every autumn, every fall, all the stores would have Hacky color and then burgundy color. So this time I went Hacky everything. So I got this body, a body top. It's kind of semi turtleneck, because it's not a full-on turtleneck, but just a bit higher rise neckline. Slightly bit see-through. I didn't realize that in the shop. It's a body top. It has this so you can easily go to the loo when needed. You don't need to take everything off because that would be actually impossible because it's a turtleneck. Duh. Yeah, long sleeves. I took this in a size XS and this cost £6. I didn't realize how see-through it is. Yeah, so I really like this top. What do you guys think? I think it looks cute. So I was looking for the like outfits rather than just clothing, if that makes sense. I don't know if you have this ever, guys, but like if I check something in my wardrobe, yeah, I have clothes, but then if I need outfits, I don't really tend to have outfits. Do you ever get this, you know, that would come nicely together? So I was looking more for the outfits this time. So bear with me, you know what I mean. So we got this turtleneck body top thing, which is really pretty, and I think for £6 is a fair price, you know. It looks really nice, perfect for weather when it's like not too cold but it's not super warm, because the top itself is not very warm, but it's just like perfect for this kind of weather right now. So to match this top, I got this like a blazer dress, oversized blazer dress without any sleeves. So I thought that like body would look nice like underneath. This looks very pretty. I think it has pockets. It's still brand new, so I can't put a hand in. You need to like rip it off a bit. But yeah, it's very nicely done. It's not very warm though. It's like perfect for this kind of weather. I'm telling you guys. So I took in a size 6 and this cost £20. I really like this print as well. Like I think it looks very pretty. And it has this belt that is already included, so you don't need like extra belt, which is cute. Yeah, what do you guys think? It's super comfortable, it looks cute on. It's like it can be done casual, to be worn casual, or it can be, you know, super official. Depends how you're gonna wear it and like what you're gonna style this up together. You can go more like, you know, with a Chelsea boots or like Dr. Martens or something like this, or you can go more like elegant shoes and, you know, different top underneath, and you can even change the belt. You know, yeah, it's like endless possibilities. You can add a hat. I really like this like oversized blazer dress without sleeveless oversized blazer dress. That's what I meant to say. What do you guys think? Do you like this one? Alright, so I got another item to match this top, and this item I literally came across by accident as I was looking for the sales items, but I was going past the sales rack and I seen this paperback high-waisted shorts that used to cost £13 but now was reduced only to £2. I couldn't say no to this. I don't know if you would. And it's in a hacky color, which is a trending color for a season, so hello. Plus material is a denim, so it's like perfect, you know, it's not like super light material that you would wear with shorts in the summer. It's like a proper denim. So if you wear like a thicker tights and a boots, this is perfect for, you know, fall and winter season, I think. And it looks pretty on, and you can, you know, match it up not only with this like turtleneck body. You can, you know, put any sweater, any different color. You can put burgundy, you can put black. You know, there's so many possibilities as well with this shorts, and it was only £2. So I took this in a size 6 and it was reduced from £13 to £2 only, and I think it looks super cute on. Plus I love it, it's high-waisted, it has a belt already, so you don't need like extra belt or anything. Yeah, I really love this. What do you guys think? So talking about the outfits, as I said, I was looking to get the total outfit, like A to Z, rather than just a piece of clothing. So I got this proper turtleneck, like a knitted turtleneck top in a hack again. Dun dun dun. Surprise, surprise. Yep, so in a hacky again. Like one of the reasons I took it because material felt super soft, like super soft, literally, and it's very stretchy. I took in a size XS and this cost £6, exactly the same price like the body, just the body that I tried on before had a like semi turtleneck, but this one is like proper warm top. It has a proper turtleneck and it's knitted and it's a bit longer. You know, you can tuck it in the jeans so you can keep it on the top or whatever, you know, bottoms you're gonna wear, or even go short, so skirt or anything. I think it looks very cute on. It's very stretchy as well. It's very comfortable. I like that it has this long sleeves, you know, so it's proper like warmth. It's good for a colder weather. Yeah, I really like this. What do you think, guys? I think this looks super cute. Alright, so to pair this top together, I needed some kind of bottoms. And I don't know, recently I've been into skirts and I was looking for something, you know, cute skirt. So I got this skirt, which is very similar print to this like oversized sleeveless blazer dress that we took. So I got this like plaited skirt, and like I don't know how you call it. I think it's called plaited skirt. This is like a A-line, but it's very like super loose and soft. I don't know why I don't have tag on this, because when I was taking it from the shelf, it definitely had tag on, but I have a receipt in here. So okay, so they call this the chiffon pleat midi skirt, and this cost £13. I took in a size 6. That's what I thought. Yeah, I like this. It doesn't have any zip or anything, like, or you know, it doesn't button up or anything, but then it has this elastic band, so you don't really need a zip or anything. Plus, it's so wide, it's like an A-line skirt. Super light, it looks pretty. So it has like a double layer. So first layer is see-through, like a chiffon, you know, and then you have this under layer in here, which is not see-through, which is like proper Hacky color. So when this together, you see more of this Hacky color. Yeah, well, I really like this print as well. Classic print. Usually we get this in black and white. I call this a goose feet print, but I think you call this dog tooth print. I think like different countries call this different, so let me know how you call this where you are, this print. Because everyone calls it different, so I don't want to like misname it. And yeah, what do you think of this skirt? This feels super comfortable on, like super comfortable. I can't even like explain how good it feels on, and it's pretty and it's very feminine. I think like we don't wear, at least me, I'm talking about myself, I don't wear skirts often enough. What I want to say, but I usually go for like trousers or shorts. I don't tend to wear skirts as much as I would want to, and then I seen this skirt, you know, on a shelf. I was like, oh my god, this is pretty. That's why I got it. To finish off this outfit, because I said I was going for outfits, right? So to finish off this outfit, I got this studded belt bag thing. It's kind of like a bum bag, but then it's not really, because it's a belt with a little bag on it, which you can remove and, you know, use only belt if you wish. So the bag and the belt itself has like a print, like a snakeskin print kinda. Don't know if you guys see, and then a little studs on it on the front in here, so we have like a clip. You know, it's like an envelope bag basically, with a little clip on it. But then it's not really a bum bag, because I'm not really into bum bags. I don't know about you, like I'm not really into bum bags. But then this is on a belt, which is not really a bum bag, and it's very handy. I think I actually have everything now on my phone, you know, my credit cards and everything. So the only thing I need, like a driving license or like a lippy or something, so this would fit in. Like, can I put a lippy? Hey, a lippy fits in. See, like I could even squeeze a powder thing, you know, if I need like on the go. Here you go. Yeah, it fits all in perfectly. I'll squeeze my phone in here actually. Hey, can we do this? Is it big enough? Can we go away? Yay! So I could literally have my phone, I could have a lipstick, my driving license, and maybe a smaller powder. That one was big, so let's go for like a smaller powder. Let's see. Is this a super bag? You know those bags, when the smaller the bag, the more things you have? At least that's what happens to me. No, I can't squeeze the lippy, can I? Can I manage? No, I can't squeeze a lippy. Oh no, if I put a powder in the phone, I can't squeeze a lippy. So it's a powder or a lippy. You decide. You choose. So yeah, I really liked this belt. So this belt cost, so I took in a size XS as this was the smaller size we had, and it cost £6. I thought with this outfit, it looks very cool together, like really pretty. What do you guys think? I like really love it, the way it looks. So to match this outfit, because I was going, you know, for outfit, I got this super simple chain. It's not really a choke because it's slightly bit longer, but it's like a chain necklace, like a figure chain gold necklace. It costs only £2, so I thought, you know, why not? And I think it looks pretty. What do you guys think? Every time I go to Primark, I get socks because, you know, you have to, right? So I picked up this boot socks. So 2 pairs cost only £2.50, and it's like a knitted material, a bit like a woolen socks. So it's perfect when it's colored. I took in a color black. They had different colors, but I thought it's just, you know, the most common, the easiest to wear and use. So yeah, I went for these, but it feels super soft. It's not really like woolen, because woolen doesn't feel like super soft. Usually it's a bit like spiky, if that makes sense. But this feels like super nice and soft. When it's colder, it's gonna be perfect. Definitely gonna be wearing it. To be honest, when I went for this primer haul, I was thinking of getting way much more things than I just showed you, but I couldn't find what I wanted, and I was like disappointed, if I'm honest, because Primark Instagram account is posting loads of beautiful things and like beautiful soft pajamas, a bit like Skims copy, you know, pajama things, like loungewear things. Couldn't find any of these. Any like, yeah, trendy things that they posting, I couldn't, yeah. My Primark that had, and I went to a big Primark that has 3, 4 floors. So, you know, it's not like I went to a tiny store that wouldn't have enough stock. So they have properly a lot of stock, but they didn't have any of these items. So, or it might be sold out already. It went like this because we posted about it, or my store never got it delivered. So I don't know. So that's all the items that I got in this Primark haul. I got actually one more, this puffer super light jacket, but I got one for my husband, so that cost £15 as well. I took for him in a color black. So the man's one is not in the like hourglass shape kinda, it's more like proper puffy one, proper like a puff jacket. And the quality from man's one was actually a bit nicer because he had like elastic things around his hands and around, you know, like his waist, like a bottom, so the wind wouldn't go through. So the quality wise it felt nicer. So I think if I wouldn't have bought this jacket that I'm gonna keep, the Hacky one, I would get one from men's size, just size S. It would make difference. Who knows whether it's, you know, for women or for men, because it's kind of the same thing, right? So if you're looking for bomber jacket, go to Primark, to the men's section. They do have nice, like nice quality bomber jackets. Yeah. Which item was your favorite or the outfit? So have you guys been to Primark yet since it reopened? Did you get anything interesting, or you got any of these items that I got actually? Leave a comment down below, let me know, and let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more makeup tutorials? More review videos, try on hauls? Yeah, talk to me, let me know. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more really important part. And I shall see you very soon. So thanks so much for watching, and bye! Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao!